Satyam.
Pandit Om Shukla did a really nice job with the puja. It was short, it was succinct, and it was a really nice explanation of how Hinduism is interpreted by others, but how it should be interpreted. It was great for the kids to really understand more about Hinduism, and I think he was also very enthusiastic and passionate about it. So I think everyone really enjoyed it. For the first time, I think a puja was very, very enjoyable for everybody. It was a good job.
Hi, Pandit Ji Om Shukla did a fabulous job at my daughter's Barsa. We invited him over to do the puja for my daughter's naming ceremony. He came, he was very knowledgeable, he really brought a nice spirit to the room, and he was able to really pull the crowd together and make the Barsa feel very intimate and beautiful.
Also, what I liked about the puja was that Panditji Om Shukla was able to explain the Hindu concepts to everyone in the room, understanding, about the different deities and, just the importance of Hinduism. So we thought that was a very good touch to the puja, and it was a great ceremony.
Thank you.
Thank you.
पंडित ओम शुक्ला शास्त्री जी आज पहली बार हमारे घर में आए and puja that he performed was excellent, and I think every word that he said was understood. I think that's what is needed in the countries outside India, because people do tend to forget how things are spoken, shlokas are spoken in Sanskrit, and they don't understand the meaning. But Shastri ji has done a tremendously great job. Not only just performing the puja, but making people understand what the meaning of those shlokas are and why we are performing this puja. So great work, Shastri ji. Keep it up. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छी लगती है आपकी पूजा पंडित जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। इसलिए जब हमारे बच्चे पैदा हुए, उनके मुंडन और अभी हमारे घर की गृह प्रवेश, सब पूजाओं के लिए आपका ही ध्यान आता है मन में, और आप हर चीज़ सरलता से करते हैं और फिर उसका मतलब भी समझाते हैं। और फिर हम दोनों नॉर्थ और साउथ के हैं, फिर भी आप दोनों का मेल जोल करके सबको अच्छे से सिस्टमैटिकली करते हैं, एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। तो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी। थैंक यू।
So the puja was very nice. It was very harmonious. So the puja by Mr. Om Shukla Sastri was very nicely done. It was a very nice experience. It was very auspicious. I had a very warm experience.
पंडित ओम शुक्ला शास्त्री जी ने बहुत अच्छी पूजा कराई और देवी के जो 9 रूप हैं वो बहुत अच्छी तरह समझाए और धर्म का अर्थ बहुत अच्छी तरह समझाया।
पहली बार सब समझ में आया।
पूजा बहुत अच्छी थी और जो देवी के 9 रूप थे वो बहुत अच्छी तरह समझाए पंडित जी ने
धर्म का अर्थ भी
और धर्म का अर्थ भी।
सब बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया पहली बार।
हाँ हाँ
बहुत अच्छा अनुभव रहा। बहुत अच्छी पूजा हुई विधि विधान से, और लग रहा है कि इंडिया में है जैसे, ये इंडिया में जैसे पूजा होती है सोचते हैं, और यहाँ पे यूएस में वैसी पूजा होगी। सोच नहीं रहे थे गृह प्रवेश की पूजा वैसे होगी, तो काफ़ी सही रहा
We have been having a very learned, but he is really a scholar. While carrying out the traditional ceremony, what we enjoy is he doesn't only live with the shlokas or Sanskrit, he tries to give you in a small casket the net ideas and the purpose of this puja. And I can tell you, we enjoy it at that time and many, many times when we are alone and are in trouble or pain. That sort of course teaching that he explained help you, give you comfort, and gives a sense of companion that you are not alone this world. You are not alone suffering. There are so much you can do. It is not only those shloka, but they touch you inside and help you to live a more peaceful, satisfying life and give you an opportunity to think about our neighbors, brothers, sisters, community at large. And we have come to this country as immigrants, and we have an opportunity to be able to spread our culture. And our local brethren, they get so much impressed that they join and are surprised that India, in their own perception few years earlier, was a country of snakes and cows and all sorts of pundits and jugglers and charmers. They are surprised that we have so much wealth of culture and spiritual achievement and dedication to our religion, not only to do a puja, but inculcate in your living life and community. May God bless you, and such a pandit, such a learned preacher should be encouraged to spread the view and also make people, attract people to our philosophy, our way of life, so that we don't feel downtrodden, but proud and head up and feel